Hi, this is Tweek. Let's make a snowman hat. Yes, you need a hat, don't you? So let's do something about that. So here's our snowman hat. I'm going to use this. I found a laundry cap. And I wanted the right size to fit on this head. So that's where I got my circle. I cut this just out of a piece of cardboard that came in the mail. And that gives me my rim to my hat. And I cut out another circle of sticky felt. So I'm going to start by, after you cut out the circle, take the sticky off here. Very, very sticky. And put this sticky part, hat brim, right with a little bit of edging going around it and stick it. Okay. Now we're going to take these little edges and bring them up. I mean, it might look a little ratty, but I like that because it's a snowman hat. I don't know of any snowman that gets a new hat. This is the inside. This is the outside. Okay. Now to make the next part of the hat, toilet paper. This is where you decide how tall do you want your hat to be, and that is totally up to you. Be a little short one. I've got different sizes here of snowman hats, so I'm just going to pick a spot and cut. Ooh, that would be Lincoln stovepipe. No, this is what we've got here. That's the next part. So what we're going to do here is take our sticky felt, and I'm just going to measure. I think I better flip it over so we can draw a line. And I'm just going to measure. I want a little bit on each side of the paper here. So I'm going to say right about in here. Let's make a spot. And then I'm going to cut it first and then see how much I need to actually get around the circumference. So we've got a strip of sticky felt. And we start at one end here and we're going to roll around. I guess you could use all of it, but I don't want to. I'm going to stop right about here. Got it. Now, take this off. Oh no, come on now. That is very sticky. Lay the sticky felt down. Take the toilet paper, snip it, line it up on either side, let it sit. Roll back a little and roll forward. Wow, nice. Now I'm going to go around with my fingers and press so that the sticky felt really sticks to the cardboard. And then push it in. Okay, this is what we got so far. Brim, that part there. I need a top on there, don't I? So I'm going to take this piece of cardboard that I had. I'm going to take this and use this to get a circumference idea, oops, for the top of the hat. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit outside the lines just so it's a little bit bigger. So I'm going to come outside the lines of that line I made there. Just a little bit. Fastest hat you've ever made. Okay, got that. That's going to be the top. See? See how it's just a little bit too big? Okay, I want it to sit on that rim, but I'm going to cut another piece out to come in on the back side. This one I'm going to follow the line. This one will not show, so I don't have to cover it in black. But the other one will show, so I need to get the sticky felt going there. Okay, so I've got the two holes. See how one's a little bit smaller? Okay, so this is the one I want to copy for the top of the brim, or the top of the hat. Go around. Okay. Cut around. My circle cutting isn't very accurate here, but that's okay. It's an old hat. There we go. So, I've got the brim. I've got this part. This is going to cover there. See that? And then this is going to go inside. And I'm just pushing that in to let it catch. Remember how I pushed that extra fabric in there? And that X has a little bit of sticky to hold it in place. Pretty good, huh? So now we've got this, and I'm going to use this to cover that. Okay, so I'm going to take this off and lay it over the top. And now I've got a nice firm top to stick it to, and I'm just going to fold it over. Okay, before I do anything else, I've got to put a hole. I'm going to make an X down here. And that's so that the hat caves a little bit so it fits better on the head. So I'm going to, very carefully, I'm just going to make an X. Real gentle X. Okay, now see if I can get in there with my scissors. Yep, it's good. Okay. And just as soon as I get my scissors in there, I can cut a hole. Okay, I've got a little bit of a hole there, and that will help. See? It won't sit flat, it'll mold onto the head. So now we're to the part where I can add these two together. And that just means lots of glue here, set it down there. And then we can add a little few more decorations. So I'm going to let it glob a little bit. Not too worried. I would really want it to stick. Because I'm going to put a hat band on here that'll cover up the goopy part. Well, let's get this stuck down. Okay. I'm just going to eyeball it and push. Now what do you want your hat to look like? You could stop right there. You could throw some holes, more holes into it. You could put some patches on it. I've got just a little bit of ribbon here. This is kind of fun. Oh wow, and it's measured nicely. That's kind of fun right there, and very, very, very simple. Let's just do that. Our hat is done. Let's find a head that needs a hat. He needs face too. See? There you have it. A snowman hat. All we gotta do is glue it down. It's done. See you again. If you enjoyed this video, here's another you may like. And here's a playlist of other projects that you might enjoy.
No!